In today's video, high-ticket affiliate marketing, I have to ask because I'm wondering if you're tired of promoting low-commission products and want to experience substantial earnings, then this video is for you. Let's jump right in. So, what exactly is high-ticket affiliate marketing? In simple terms, it's the process of promoting products or services that offer significantly higher commissions per sale, often in the range of hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Unlike traditional affiliate marketing, where you might earn a few bucks per sale, high-ticket affiliate marketing allows you to earn big with fewer sales. Now, why should you consider high-ticket affiliate marketing? Well, there are several benefits. First, higher earnings per sale. With high-ticket products, you can make substantial income with just a few sales. Second, less effort for more return. Fewer sales mean less effort to reach your income goals. And third, premium products. High-ticket items are often premium products or services, which means higher quality and more satisfied customers. Okay, let's talk about how you can get started with high-ticket affiliate marketing. Here are the steps you need to follow. Step 1. Choose a niche. Focus on a niche that has high-ticket items. Popular niches include luxury travel, high-end software, premium coaching programs, and luxury goods. Make sure it's a niche you're passionate about, as this will make your marketing efforts more authentic and sustainable. Step 2. Find high-ticket affiliate programs. You'll need to research and sign up for affiliate programs that offer high-ticket products. Some popular platforms to find these programs include Clickbank, Digistore24, and individual company affiliate programs. Look for products that offer commissions of at least $500 per sale. Step 3. Build a trustworthy online presence. Whether it's a blog, YouTube channel, or social media profile, you need a platform to promote your affiliate products. Create valuable content that resonates with your target audience and builds trust. Remember, people are more likely to purchase high-ticket items from someone they trust. Step 4. Drive traffic to your platform. Use various methods to drive traffic to your platform, such as SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising. The more targeted traffic you can drive, the higher your chances of making sales. We're getting close to the end, so if you found any value with what I'm saying here, then please subscribe to my channel. I'll try to always find things that are helpful, and on that note, there are some free tools and free trials in the description. Try them, it's good stuff down there. Moving forward, Step 5. Optimize your sales funnel. A well-optimized sales funnel can significantly increase your conversion rates. Create lead magnets, capture email addresses, and nurture your leads with valuable content. Use email sequences to guide them through the buying process and ultimately make the purchase. High-ticket affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but with dedication and the right strategies, it can be incredibly lucrative. Remember, focus on providing genuine value to your audience and choose products that you believe in. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips on making money online. Also, drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching. Hope you'll visit again.